Hello and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer. Hello there, welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. Sausages are delicious and yummylicious. So if you're a little bit creative, you can make your Christmas celebration sausage-licious. तो आज हम hot dog stockings बनाना सीखेंगे. तो चलें फिर. Hot dog stockings बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीजें चाहिए. Boiled sausages, cream cheese and some skewers. तैयार हैं? Let's go. First, we slice the hot dogs. Be sure to do all your cutting with an adult supervision. Now we place the hot dog on the skewer like this. Now we need to whip the cream cheese. Now we put the cream cheese on like this. Our hot dog stockings, Sprinkles and Magic style are ready. Ta-da! Here's an interesting food fact for you. The first sausages date back to the Sumerian culture in Mesopotamia, which is modern-day Iraq. This was somewhere in 3000 BC. Whoa! Try making the hot dog stockings and let me know how you did. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.